Palitan ko na siya. Ito. Hanap tayo ng ano. Yan bago. Yan lang. Ganun lang siya kadali. Pero parang maluwag eh. Boss mo. Ano naman ganyan? Nalagay ko na kasi itong ulo eh. Ano ba ito? Hindi ko lang sure pa paano siya ipalit mo. Iniisip ko pa eh. Okay, pause mo na. Ito, minarkahan ko nga oh. Para hindi magkabaliktad. Lagayin ito ng battery. Nalagyan ng ano. Kaya mali mo ito. Tatanggalin ulit. Pause mo na. Ito muna pala mauna. Tapos ito niyan mo siya. Pause mo na. Baliktad eh. Pagalit eh. Kailangan matanggal ito mga plastic. Ayan siya parang mga ano. Tapos ito mas maiksi ito kumpara sa ibang tornilyo. Pause mo na. Okay na. Pause. Wala pa? Oh. Ano? Hindi, hindi ko close up. Pupunong buo eh. Ito yung ibababa eh. Masalpak. Tanggal kailangan na ibalik. Maluwag eh. Dudulas ito. Ayan. Patayin mo na. Palitan na ng blade, ng belt. Papasok yan.
Older. Connie was wearing a ballerina costume, and I was dressed as a beautiful royal princess. We were all set to go out, when suddenly a man with no head came running into the room. For a minute I freaked out, but it was just Ben wearing his headless man costume. "Don't forget to go to the Mackenzie house," Ben said. Now the Mackenzie house is a dark old house, and nobody has lived in it for years. Everyone says it's haunted, and on Halloween ghosts from all over gather there and have a wild party until midnight. Ben said this year he was going to spy on them, and he dared us to come along. We didn't really want to, but there's no way we'd ever admit that to Ben. "What's the matter? Are you scared?" Ben said. He was just daring us to say yes. "We're not scared of anything," I said. "In fact, to prove it, we'll go there first." You know me, always opening my big mouth. When Connie and I got to the Mackenzie house, it looked spookier than ever. So we took a deep breath.
Baliktad.
Maipit.